Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and in this video I will take you through my home gym setup. So first off, we will start with the flooring itself. So this flooring that is on the screen right now is the black color flooring, is 10 thick, and this costed me 50 rupees per square feet. So this is strong enough to bear any load of a bench or jumping. But I bought additional 4 pieces of tiles which are 25 in thickness. So I bought these additionally for deadlift. These tiles can absorb the shock from the deadlifts very well, and your floor doesn't get damaged in the process of lifting weights. It costed me 100 rupees per square feet. And after that we'll move to the weights, the dumbbells. So first I will show you the dumbbells. I have a pair of 25, a pair of 20, a pair of 15, a pair of 10 and a pair of 5. So the dumbbells in the yellow color costed me 115 rupees per kg, and the dumbbell in red one costed me 100 rupees per kg. Now moving to the plates. These yellow plates costed me 95 rupees per kg, and these cast iron plates, I have 2 pairs of all these plates. They costed me 90 rupees per kg, and I have locks also, barbell locks. They costed me 300 rupees. And now moving to the other plates. These 3 types of plates costed me same as the dumbbell, 115 rupees per kg. Now moving to the main equipment for a home gym, a bench and a power cage. So this bench is an adjustable bench. You can adjust the both seats. You can pull this hook out and then adjust the seat according to your need. Let's have a look at the back side, and now let's move to the barbell itself. So the barbell costed me 2800 rupees. So it's an 7 feet barbell and its weight is 18 to 20 kgs. So now let's move to the power cage itself. Have a look at it, and I have attached a pulley at the top and a pulley at the bottom so that we can use it for different exercise variations. So these pins are called safety bars. Suppose if you are doing a 1 rep max squat and you are unable to lift it up, you can drop the barbell on this pin. According to me, this bar or this pin is strong enough to handle at least 200 kgs of weight. Down here I have a landmine. Here you can insert the barbell and perform landmine rows or landmine press, whichever exercise you want to perform here. And also I have attached a pulley. This is the bar where we can add resistance to the pulleys. You can add some plates here. This is the top pulley. Here you can perform lat pull down or any exercise. Again, you need to be creative with these machines to use it maximally and to get all its benefit. Have a look again at the whole power rack. At the top we have a pull-up bar where you can perform wide grip pull-ups, close grip chin-ups or neutral grip pull-ups. Have a closer look at them, and this is how my power cage looks. After that, let's move to the attachments. Here we have a V handle which you can use for seated rowing or close grip pull downs. It's a very strong handle. It came with the squat rack. And here is the easy bar. You can use it for curling moves or reverse grips or lying tricep extension. And this is my little workstation. This is where I work. Now this is the second type of flooring that I have installed in my room. This is a grass flooring which is 35 in thickness, and it costed me 40 rupees per square feet. And here is the functional training machine. Here you can perform any exercise which you want. Again, you need to be creative here. You can perform flies, bent over rows, seated rowing and many more exercises. So you name it, you can perform it here. Even leg extensions and leg curls with an ankle strap. So right now you can adjust it by pulling the hook back and then letting it slide down. You can adjust this handle according to your need, according to the variation of any exercise. Now moving to the other side. Here Look at the top, we have pull-ups bar. You can use them for wide grip pull-ups, close grip or chin-ups or anything else. On the both side we have 80 kgs of weight stack. Have a look. At the top we can grab these handles to perform any exercise or leg raises or any variation of that. And the light behind the machine is of Syska. This light can be controlled by your smartphone connecting through your Wi-Fi connection. Now moving out to the last type of flooring that I have. This flooring costed me 30 rupees per tile, and this is just for safety. Have a look again at my whole gym setup. Dumbbells, plates, 180 kg of plates in weights and 150 kg of weight in dumbbells. There's barbell, some attachments, a power cage, an adjustable bench and a functional trainer. In my opinion, this is the best home gym setup that you can get. You can perform easily any exercise here, and even this is enough for 2 or 3 persons at a time. So I will add all of the prices in the description box below again, so you can have a look and decide if you want to buy the same equipments for yourself. Alright everyone, I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe and train smarter.